of these three students is the utter and absolute apathy of the Aam Aadmi Party ruling dispensation in Delhi.
This is a matter which obviously calls for compensation, but no compensation can be enough for the tragic loss of life of a young man cut short in his prime, sir.
दिल्ली सरकार की लापरवाही, यहां तक कि आपराधिक लापरवाही के कारण इन बच्चों ने अपनी जान गंवा दी। अध्यक्ष जी, the cause of death of these three students is the utter and absolute apathy of the Aam Aadmi Party ruling dispensation in Delhi. The criminal negligence of the ruling dispensation of the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi has caused the death of these three students. एक दशक से आम आदमी पार्टी दिल्ली में सत्ता भोग रही है, लेकिन दिल्ली वासियों के लिए कोई काम नहीं कर रही। अध्यक्ष जी, पिछले 2 सालों से नगर निगम यानी एमसीडी भी दिल्ली सरकार के नियंत्रण में है, दिल्ली जल बोर्ड दिल्ली सरकार के नियंत्रण में है, ड्रेनेज की सफाई दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के दिल्ली सरकार के नियंत्रण में है, लेकिन इन्होंने ना अपग्रेडेशन करी है ना डिसिल्टिंग करी है नालों की। एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात इसमें कहना चाहूंगी, ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर में जो हुआ 22 जुलाई 24 जुलाई 2 दिन से लगातार वहां के स्थानीय विधायक, वहां के स्थानीय पार्षद, वहां के अधिकारियों को लगातार स्थानीय निवासी इसकी शिकायत कर रहे थे। विधायक जी व्यंग तो कर रहे थे, लेकिन उन्होंने कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया।
There is, sadly, a level of violations of basic norms when it comes to building codes, fire safety, flood safety, and so on. That is rampant in the city. The corporation also has responsibility on this. So wait, I have seen in the hands of a journalist a certificate of clearance issued on the 9th of July, sir, by the corporation, allowing these people to do what they're doing, saying they're in compliance. Now, this kind of thing will have to be corrected, sir. At the same time, drains have to be cleaned. They're choked and clogged. Sir, let me just finish. The most important issue, and I say this on behalf of the family also, is to prevent such future tragedies. For this, there has to be a comprehensive inquiry, but there also has to be very specific steps taken to ensure that no other parents coming to our national capital from various parts of the country suffer this kind of loss and tragedies.